Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we're talking about something that can make or break your financial future, your long-term savings. Most of us know we should be saving for retirement, a house, or our kids' education. But along the way, a lot of people make some big mistakes without even realizing it. Today I'm going to share 3 common mistakes people make with their long-term savings and how you can avoid them. Let's jump in. All right, mistake number 1 that people make with their long-term savings: ignoring inflation. A lot of people think if I just leave my money in a savings account, I'm safe. But here's the reality. If your money isn't growing, at least as fast as inflation, you're actually losing buying power over time. Proverbs says, "There is that scattereth and yet increaseth. There is that withholdeth more than is meet, and it tendeth to poverty." In other words, focusing too much on saving will make you poor. Why? Because if all you do is leave it in a bank account, it's going to be worth less and less. Think about it. $100 today can't buy anything near what it bought 20 years ago. So if your long-term savings are just sitting in a low-interest savings account earning, let's say, 1%, but inflation is running close to 3%, you're effectively going backwards every single year. So how do we fix it? Put those long-term savings in vehicles that have historically beaten inflation. Things like diversified index funds, retirement accounts, or other growth-oriented investments. Don't just let it sit idle. Okay, so mistake number 2 that people make with their long-term savings: not automating their savings. See, a lot of people have the best intentions. I'll save whatever's left at the end of the month. I'm going to take a little bit out of every paycheck. But hey, let's be honest. There's rarely anything left over. When savings depends on willpower, life expenses creep in. A new gadget here, a weekend trip there, and before you know it, you've saved nothing for months. How do we fix it? You automate it. Set up an automatic transfer the day you get paid, straight into your retirement account, straight into your investment accounts or your savings bucket. When you treat savings like a non-negotiable bill, you'll build wealth without even thinking about it. And over years or decades, that consistency makes a massive difference. This is what you call a discipline that pays dividends. All right, and mistake number 3 that people make with their long-term savings: raiding the savings account too early. It's tempting, right? You've got this growing pot of gold and suddenly your car breaks down, or you really want to upgrade your kitchen. The problem is long-term savings are meant to stay put and grow over time. Every time you pull from them early, you're not just taking out money, you're also losing time. You're losing the future growth that money could have generated. This one may seem hard to fix, but it's not. Build a separate emergency fund. That way, when life throws you a curveball, you don't have to dip into your long-term savings or investments. Plan for the unexpected, and the unexpected won't catch you off guard. Your retirement or your future savings can stay untouched, compounding away for years. Maybe you're sitting there thinking, man, I wish I had some help with my long-term savings. And if so, you might want to check out our biblically based long-term investing program, AMPed, where we help our clients avoid a lot of these common mistakes. Fill out our form at TRADEway.com/amped. That's TRADEway.com/AMPT. Our investment portfolios are rooted in Scripture, and we have options for people who want to invest conservatively, moderately, or even aggressively. Learn more at TRADEway.com/amped. That's TRADEway.com/AMPT. So there you have it. 3 big mistakes that a lot of people make, and you want to avoid these with your long-term savings: ignoring inflation, not automating your savings, and raiding them too early. If you can sidestep those, your future self is going to thank you in a big way. If you found this helpful, give this video a like, subscribe for more money tips, and let me know in the comments, what's your biggest long-term savings goal right now? Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.